Capel Manor College was the leading FE provider in supporting the Greenskilling Canopy project. The content of the programme was a mixture of practical, theory and enrichment that would inspire and motivate next steps into the green industry.
I'm learning a lot about trees, which is not a subject I know a lot about, so it's very good to have an opportunity to learn more.
Yeah, it's really great, learning loads, great experiences, great course.
Within this programme, we've been working with these wonderful young people, nurturing their skills and their development into hopefully full-time employed young people.
Having a hands-on experience is quite good, just to have like the actual direct experience rather than just like all theory.
Give you a start with this wonderful team to learn some green skills and hopefully get into a job afterwards.
I'm very excited. I'm going to design loads of gardens. I'm going to be really good at it.